Good evening, everyone. It is 12. It is 12/13/2016. So December 13th, almost halfway there to Christmas. We're doing a two-box break, random teams, two random teams of Portfolio Hockey 15-16, number 13. So let's roll the dice. See how many times we randomize the names and the teams. A 6 and a 2. 6 and a 2 equals 8. All right. So 8 times on the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Eighth and final time. It is 8 times. 6, 2. That's 8. Yeah, I know, right? Like last time. That's a 6 and a 2, Jack. That is 8. Here it is. Corey at top. David Harrow at the bottom. All right, 6 and 2, 8 times on the teams. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Eighth and final time. Good luck. Make sure again. 8 times. Yes. Colorado Avalanche at the top. Ooh, Edmonton almost second to bottom. So let's match this up. Alrighty. It is a little small, but I'll read them out to you guys. So Corey gets the Colorado Avalanche. Dave Harrow gets the Blackhawks and Islanders. Greg gets the Bruins. Josh gets the Flyers. Greg also gets the Canucks. Vic with Last Spot Mojo gets my LA Kings. Marco gets the Sabres. Dave gets the Wild. Josh gets the Capitals. Dave also gets the Blue Jackets. Andy O gets the Winnipeg Jets. Vic gets the Ducks. Corey gets the Rangers. David gets the Lightning, Canadians, Panthers, and Red Wings. Marco gets the Blues. Dave gets the Devils. Marco gets the Dallas Stars. Dave gets the Coyotes, Predators. Corey gets the Ottawa Senators. Dave gets the Hurricanes and Flames. Corey gets the Sharks. Marco gets the Leafs. Andy Owens gets the Edmonton Oilers, so congrats, Andy. And Dave, to land it all off, gets the Pittsburgh Penguins. So I will pause the video, see if anybody wants to make any trades. And when we come back, I'll pick the 2 boxes. Random.org will pick the 2 boxes, and we'll get this portfolio break going. All right, we're back, and there was one trade. As you can see, Vic trades the Anaheim Ducks with Marco for the Stars. So Vic now has the Stars. Marco has the Ducks. That is the one trade that was confirmed. So there's 4 boxes left out of this second half inner. We were using random generator to decide what boxes are chosen. So there's 8 boxes in the inner case, 4 left. So we're going to random.org. As you can see right there in the top corner, there were 8 boxes, so I'm still using it. If so the boxes are left are 1, 2, 4, and 5. So if number 3 pops out or anything like that, you know, I'm just going to regenerate it to see until the numbers pop out. So here we go. First one. 8. 8 is not here. Let's generate it again. 4. 4 is here. So as you can see right here, box 4. This is one we're going to do right here. Let's actually put that over here. Next one. 7. 7 is not there. 5. So box 4 and 5. So it stays the way it actually was. 4 and 5. So basically, here it is right there. 4 and 5. It was the right side. So 1 and 2 will be for the next break, which I will put in the store. So here it is, guys. 2-box break of Portfolio Hockey. Good luck. We've done a handful of these portfolio breaks. I have pulled McDavid's out of here. Just not out of this second half inner or the first half inner. So there is a chance for McDavid. Pulled a McDavid from a totally different case last week. All right, here we go. Let's actually point this a little lower so you can see everything right there. Cool. Well, yeah, Corey, you did come down here over the summer, right? I think I remember you. Came down here with your dad to LA. Dubnik, Kane, Brandon Saad, Carey Price, sorry, Kessler, Pacioretty, Hoodler, or so you're looking for one auto and one relic. Shattenkirk, Evander Kane, Duncan Keith, Nathan McKinnon, rookie Sam Bennett, Calgary Flames. Yeah, I thought I remembered you, man. I've been seeing you buying into breaks lately too. Martin Brodeur, Turris, Komarov. Did you ever get that redemption? Remember you had a expired redemption you pulled out of one of our boxes, but Panini usually honors that. Eric Johnson, Mrazek, Ribeiro, Braden Shen, rookie phenom Andreas Anthony for the Detroit Red Wings. McInnes, Kucherov, Varlamov. Boychuk, Letang, Zibanejad, Bobby Clark, wired photo, Philadelphia Flyers. Gallagher, Johnson, Toffoli, Antiniemi. Alexander Steen, Monahan, Zetterberg, rookie phenom Linus Ullmark, Buffalo Sabres, Cam Fowler, Duchesne, Yakupov, Forsberg, so it looks like here's the relic in this pack. You can tell right away when it gets thick. James Neal, Patrick Marleau, Mark Giordano, and the relic. Actually, look at that. SP Game Use Edition, Garrett Sparks. Toronto Maple Leafs. Nice. So this is actually from a different product that they put in portfolio. Toronto Maple Leafs. That is Marco. Congrats, Marco. Gilmore and Stahl out of that pack. So one down. There goes the auto. Let's go look for that relic. Oh, the box got lost when you flew back. Yeah, remember? Oh yeah, there it was. You got a 1-1 Chris Davis auto. Damn, that sucks. Craig Anderson, Jason Spezza, Tobias Ryder, Sammy Vatanen. What is this? Corey Schneider, wired photo. Krejci, Hedman, Tatar. TJ Oshie, Marion Gaborik, Mike Green, Hamnick. Look at this, rookie Sabre, wired photos, Jack Eichel. That goes to Buffalo. Who has Buffalo? Marco. Crosby, Sakic, O'Reilly. Scored on the Kings today too. Scored a nice goal. All right, so we're looking for that relic now. Versteeg, Doug Harvey, Sedin, Hansel. Here's a rookie phenom to go on with that auto, Garrett Sparks. Butchstad, LaFleur, Johnny Gaudreau. Duclair, Perrault, Klingberg, rookie phenom Dylan Larkin. I like these. I like those jerseys they have on right here from the Winter Classic. Red Wings. What was that? That was David Harrow, right? Detroit. Yes, sir. Dylan Larkin right there. Matt Molson, Galchenyuk, Hall, Jake Allen. Next pack. Brock Nelson, Roman Yossi, Nassim Kadri, Brody, Alex Ovechkin wired photos, Draisaitl, Jamie Benn, Shea Weber. So late last night I did one random team break of the cup. Great cards. Nice RPA that I pulled for David Harrow that's in this break. But nothing super crazy. Monsters came out. No McDavid came out. So random teams number 2 is in the store if you guys want to hop on that. JaspysHockeyLand.com. $70 a spot. Random team. Mike Camilleri, Bo Horvat, Wayne Simmons, Steven Stamkos, Noah Hannafin, Martin Jones, Mark Messier, Mario Lemieux. Cup is an insane product. Great hockey overall is a great secondary market. Excuse me. Mikkel Boedker, Pietrangelo, Kyle Palmieri, Thomas Vanek, rookie phenom Nikolai Golovin, San Jose Sharks, Scott Hartnell, Scheifele, Ryan Strome. All right, so we're still looking for that relic. I think it is here. Miku Koivu, Ben Bishop. There it is. Look at that. Andre Kopitar. Nice relic for Andre Kopitar and the Los Angeles Kings. LA Kings, that's Vic, who did take the last spot in this break. Gets randomized the LA Kings, a part of his 2 random teams, and does get a hit. Congrats, Vic. Pavelski, Marc-Andre Fleury, Backstrom. So I'm just going to fly through these packs and I'm just going to rip them all open. So we can get to the next box now that the relic and the auto has been pulled. Doesn't mean there might not be anything else. You know, sometimes they might put in an extra something. You never know. I'll just rip them up in all the packs to get ready to get into the next box. Alright. Here's this stack. Kari Laitinen, Seabrook, Jack Johnson, Daniel Sedin, Mario Lemieux wired photos, Charlie Coyle, Jari Kurri, Ryan Johansson, Victor Rask, Teuvo Teravainen, Getzlaff, Brian Little, Jonas Donskoy, rookie phenoms for the San Jose Sharks. I know, that's what I'm thinking too. Maybe it's actually funner that way, right? I might actually try that in the next box. Salming, Gretzky, Cliff Baum, Joe Thornton, Rostalainen, Mike Smith, Brock McGinn, Justin Falk, Jonathan Quick, Barkov, Andrew Ladd, Luongo, Ekman Larson, Kevin Hayes, rookie phenom Max Domi. Yeah, it makes the break go faster. You know, sometimes I'll be shocked and be like, wow, there's an auto or there's something in there. That's Arizona Coyotes. That's David Harrow, Braden Holtby, Malkin, Carlson, Giroux, Gibson, Louis Erickson, Dion Phaneuf, rookie phenom Jack Eichel, Buffalo. That goes to Marco. Tavares, Carey Price, Reinhardt, Bryn Mawr, Brent Burns, Justin Williams, Okposo, Noah Hannafin, black and white art card, Corey Perry, Foligno, Taylor Hall, Yarmer Yager. So that's box 1. And I will do what Big Boys 007 suggested. I think it is actually better. I just like looking at these cards though. It's fun. Second box. Good luck. So I'm going to open up all the packs. That way we get surprised with anything that we pull. I'll do one side at a time. I'm going to rip and open all these packs. So remember, the last 2 boxes of this second half of the inner case are the last 2 boxes of the whole break. I think we have another case left, so I will load the last 2 boxes up at the end of this break for portfolio. And then I'll see if we have another case to load up more. Alright, I'll get this stack first. Actually, I'll get half of it. Erik Karlsson, Zach Parise, Huberdeau, Van Riemsdyk, rookie phenom Brett P, Kuznetsov, Andrei Kopitar, Gostisbehere, Nyquist, Carter, Rick Nash, Ryan Suter, Shea Theodore, rookie phenom, wired photo for the Ducks, Tyler Seguin, Pavel Bure, Pavel Datsyuk, Doug Harvey, Henrik Sedin, Martin Hanzo, rookie phenom Charles Hudon, Mark Messier, Mario Lemieux, Joe Pavelski, Marc-Andre Fleury, Tobias Ryder, Sami Vatanen, Chris Versteeg, rookie phenom Artemi Panarin, Chicago Blackhawks. That's David H. Butchdad, Lafleur, Johnny Gaudreau, Martin Jones, Broussard, Craig Anderson, Jason Spezza, Jonathan Taves, Bobby Clark, Krejci, Hedman, Tatar, Kane, Keith, McKinnon, Wayne Gretzky, Gallagher, Tyler Johnson, Ryan Strome, Marty Brodeur. All right. Victor Rask, Tara Vinen, Ryan Getzlaff, Luis Domingue, rookie phenom, Salmi, Gretzky, Cliffbaum, Coyle, Erickson, Phaneuf. Look at that, another one for the Kings. This is a King 2 boxer right here. Jonathan Quick for the LA Kings. That also goes to Vic, who did purchase the last spot. So he gets both relics, Kopitar and Quick. Not too bad. Carey Price, Reinhardt, Brind'Amour, Monahan, Zetterberg, Gibson, Jake Virtanen, rookie wire photo, Duchesne, Yakupov, Forsberg, Tavares, Boychuk, Letang, Zibanejad, Steen, Joseph Blandisi, rookie phenom for the Devils, Toffoli, Niemi, Fowler, next stack, Hamnick, Duclair, Perrault. There it is. Look at that. There's the auto. Detroit Red Wings, Tomas Tatar. Detroit Red Wings. Detroit. That's you, big boys. Nice Tomas Tatar auto. All right. Galchenyuk, Hall, Jake Allen, Rene, Sedin, Oshie, Gabrick, Mike Green, Mike McCarron, rookie phenom, Sakic, O'Reilly, Molson, Brian Little, Leithinen, Seabrook, Jack Johnson, Jari Kurri again, Johansson, Crosby, Bozak, Doughty, Rask, Jonas Korpisalo, goaltender for the Columbus Blue Jackets. And look, we got one of these XRC rookie wired photo redemption to rookie number 4. So I need to see who rookie number 4 is. I'll check that out. But I did say they are 1 through 5 or 1 through 6 have been named. I'll check on number 4 right now at the end of the break. Leach, Bobrovsky, Zuccarello, Pastrnak, Boone Jenner, Plekanec, black and white art card, Taylor Hall, Hoffman, Landeskog, Subban, Wheeler, Bergeron, Hertel, Eberle. The last stack is right here. These are all the little hits. Rookie phenoms I put to the side. Rookie phenom Mike Condon. Patrick Sharp, Nugent Hopkins, Lidstrom, Henrique, Jussi Jokinen, Doug Hamilton, Niederreiter. Rookie phenom Noah Hannafin. Taves, Tarasenko, Voracek, Ovechkin, Skinner, Schwartz, Reimer, Bufflin, Lanny McDonald, wire photo, Morgan Riley, Lanny McDonald, Gillies, Krug, Jordan Stahl, Verbata, Matt Murray, rookie wire photo. That goes to Pittsburgh, David H. Mark Stone, Bobby Ryan, Ekblad, Ryan Miller, Klingberg, Ennis, Crawford, Phil Kessel, rookie phenom Max Domi. Yes, sir, Greg. No McDavid relic or auto has been pulled yet. Lundqvist, Schneider, Aguila. All right, that's the break. Just so I can have it in the video. I'm gonna check on that cardboard connection really quick, so I can announce in the break who gets that XRC rookie number 4. Yeah, I know, Greg. I'm about to put it in. I should have put it in while I was in the pause. That's my fault. I'm still learning here. Willem Nylander? All right. What team is that? That's what is it? Nylander. Did I pause it? No, it's down here. portfolio. There it is. Let me check it out right now. It is right here. Nylander, that is Leafs. You are correct, Corey. So that goes to Toronto Maple Leafs. Toronto Maple Leafs get that, and I think that is Marco. Yes, Marco gets this XRC Rookie Wired Photo Redemption. Rookie number 4 for the Maple Leafs. All right, so that is our 2-box portfolio break. Number, what was this? This was number 13. So number 14 will be in stores right now. There hasn't been no relic of McDavid or auto, so he might still be in the last 2 boxes. So check that out at jaspyshockeyland.com. See you next time.